Built-up oils and residue ruin espresso flavor over time, and regular rinsing doesn't fix it. This is where Active comes in. These tablets dissolve fast and run smoothly through the cleaning cycle, clearing out coffee oils and buildup. Shots taste cleaner, and the machine runs more consistently, and there's no lingering residue afterwards. The tablets are simple to use, measured perfectly, compatible with a variety of different espresso machine brands, and the 120 count supply lasts a long time. Active has been a trusted household brand in our family for years. If you want better tasting espresso and a machine that keeps performing, stick with Active for dependable routine cleaning that actually makes a difference.